Hi Karen, so I started looking at the site and I started making some tweaks and I realized there's a big blocker I have here, and that is all your library files are not in the site. And you have this library files zip, so that maybe that's the original ones. What I need is I actually need the library files, so I make a couple of tweaks. I can do some stuff through CSS, like resize the bar, reposition some things up here and whatnot. But where I'm running into issues now, I'm going to make a suggestion here, right? Especially if you're concerned about this size right about here where it's going to double stack. And you know what? That's the way it's designed to work. It's designed to stack like so if you have an over uh, like a large amount of menu buttons, right? There's not a large amount here, but I've reduced the size so it's a little more compact. But I notice you have a contact here and you have a contact here. I'm going to suggest remove the contact here, remove this button. That's going to give you a lot more room to play with. Just a matter is when this slides in like so, then it's not going to double over and you're not going to have the problem. Then you're going to have the menu right here and it's all going to line up nicely. As you see, everything I've got lined up nicely here, right? We got the text here. This is going to look really good in a tablet. The drop down there. But you got one extra button that's just causing a little bit of headache, and that's this one right here. And because you have a contact button here and then a contact drop down here, I figure, within the space of, just like 100 pixels, you've got 3 contact links, which might be a little bit on the overkill side there as far as what you need. And the other thing I was going to suggest, maybe you got the logo here. Anyways, that's what I was going to ask anyways is could you just re-upload the site? I'll copy over the style sheets that I've updated, but I need the library files so I can make just a couple more tweaks, because I noticed there's like an extra div in your logo file or your website name. There's an extra div with nothing in it, and that's causing you might have put it in there to create some extra space. There's a better way of doing that, but I don't want to upload a site back to the server and give you a copy and have missing files in it. I'd rather have the complete package, so I just needed to know what's going on with those library files.